Hey, what's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest and greatest in the world of PC hardware. Today we're counting down the top 5 best GPUs for PCs that you can get your hands on right now. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a 3D artist, or just love having the best performance, we've got something for everyone. So buckle up and let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5 is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. Now, this bad boy delivers incredible value with its next-gen ray tracing capabilities and AI-enhanced performance, all without breaking the bank. It's perfect for gamers who want high frame rate 1440p gaming without emptying their wallets. Coming in at number 4, we've got AMD's Radeon RX 7900 XTX. This powerhouse gives NVIDIA a run for its money with its beastly performance at 4K. The RX 7900 XTX shines in both gaming and creative workloads thanks to its huge VRAM and outstanding rasterization performance. At number 3 is the RTX 4080 from NVIDIA. It's built for those who want to experience the best of both gaming and creative tasks like video editing or 3D rendering. With its DLSS 3 technology and mind-blowing ray tracing, you're looking at ultra-smooth 4K gaming at high frame rates. Next up at number 2, the AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT. This card strikes the perfect balance between price and performance, offering exceptional 1440p gaming and great 4K capabilities. It's a solid option for gamers and creators who want top-tier performance without paying the premium of a flagship GPU. And finally, reigning supreme at number 1 is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090. This monster is the best of the best, delivering unmatched performance across the board. It's designed for gamers who want to max out every setting at 4K and beyond, and for creators handling heavy-duty tasks like 3D animation, AI processing, and ultra-high-resolution video editing. So there you have it, the top 5 best GPUs in the world right now. Whether you're upgrading your rig for gaming, creative work, or just future-proofing, these GPUs are all beasts in their own right. Let us know in the comments which one you'd go for, and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.